The forms are an integral part of that maker process, and more specifically for application forms. How to create forms on my platform. To do so, you must go into your program and then on the form menu. Here you will find all the forms that exist already on your program. If none exist, you will be asked to create one. We will first ask you to give a name to your form. Then you have on what is called the form builder or form editor. On this form builder, you will find on the right different types of questions and different dividers. The dividers allows you to structure your form, to add a question within your form. You just have to take the nature of the question that you want to ask, drag it, and drop it on the form builder. Your questions appears here. When you click on the box, it turns blue. And you will be able to change, for example, the title of the question or add a description here. When the question is formed in blue, you will have different options that you can activate or deactivate, such as making the questions mandatory. You can see it with the asterisk right here. Returning the items, you will give access to all different types of questions that exist, and you can so add more and more. Each nature of questions on its parameters. I'm thinking of it particular files repository type questions on which you will be able to decide, for example, the maximum number of megabytes or document files by the candidate, the width of the document, the format you accept. For example, if you only accept PDF, then you will specify PDF. To see how your form looks on the public interface, you have at the top preview button for computer, so you can see by clicking on it what would see a candidate on the public interface or on a mobile phone. Remember to save your forms regularly, and when you have finished, you can either return off the form builder to the form builder. If you wish to continue to provide changes or quit the form builder, you will be then redirected to the form menu where you have all your forms. To delete or modify one, you click directly on modify to return on it, or if you want to delete it, you can click on the three small buttons and you have the possibility to either duplicate the form, modify it, or delete it. The detection action platforms always include validation steps, which is written DLT. Here you ask to write DLT to confirm the operation. Once that is done, my form is definitely deleted. Then you want to integrate your form into a step in your process. To do this, you need to go to the configuration section, then process, and when you click on the pencil, go to the stage, the step in which you wish to integrate your form, unroll the step, and now you just have to select the form you wish to integrate on this stage.